Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about something that could completely change how you work with Blender 3D. First, let me introduce myself and Vagon. I'm Burke from the Vagon team, and I'm here to show you how you can start using Blender 3D in the cloud in just a few minutes. Think of Vagon as powerful supercomputers that run in your browser. You can access them from any device and get high-end hardware like powerful GPUs and tons of memory. Here's the big question. What if you could run Blender at full performance even on a basic laptop, phone, or tablet? That's exactly what Vagon does. No downloads, no expensive hardware, just log in, pick your cloud computer specs, and you're ready to run demanding software in seconds. Let's check it out together. Start by going to vagon.io. Create an account by clicking the Sign Up button. After filling in your information, you're in. Give your workspace any name you like. While you do this, we test your internet connection and connect you to one of Vagon's more than 20 data centers worldwide. This keeps latency super low no matter where you are. Vagon has a comprehensive library of pre-installed applications. Just choose what you want and they'll install automatically. Let's pick Blender 3D, Spotify for music, and Slack for team communication. You can also install other applications using the amazingly fast internet connection. Next, choose your storage size. We'll talk about how Vagon files can improve your workflow later. You can try Vagon for less than $1 with 7 days of usage. After payment, your computer is ready to connect. Vagon offers various performance packages. For this tutorial, we'll use the Spark setup that gives us a 24 GB NVIDIA GPU, 4 CPU cores, and 16 GB of RAM. After quick configuration, we're looking at a clean Windows desktop right inside our browser. No lag, no setup stress. Let's connect to it by simply clicking to the Connect button. It takes really brief time to configure and connect to your computer. You almost wait now and we're in. As you can see, Blender 3D and all other applications are already installed and ready to use. The experience is native like your local device. You can customize everything using the sidebar, change resolution, adjust keyboard layout, enable game or VR mode, or connect external keyboards, mouse, or drawing tablets. It's easy to make it feel like home. Let's open Blender to start designing. As you can see, Blender opens up in less than a second. We didn't experience the usual lag that happens on low-end hardwares. All of our functions and everything works perfectly. Now, we came back to Vagon's dashboard to upload our sample project file. Simply click to the Files section in the sidebar and upload your file. It is as simple as dragging your file. All files automatically syncs with your cloud computer. I'm choosing a lovely sample project of an underwater scene. It is a really heavy project, published by Blender 3D as a tech demo. It is uploading now. After uploading your files, you can access to them anytime by the Vagon Files folder in the desktop. Let's extract the zip file in seconds with the power of high-end hardware and open our sample project. As you can see, everything is smooth, and our project opens up in seconds. I'm moving around a bit for you to see the lagless experience. You can also always upgrade your performance to a higher package. With Vagon, there are always a performance option that is best for use case. Now, let's save our project. And we're once again in our dashboard to upgrade our performance for a faster rendering. Let's click the shutdown button to turn your cloud computer off. Meanwhile, don't forget to give 5 stars for this smooth experience. We're ready to upgrade our performance option. You can choose between the various options with RTX enabled and CUDA OptiX activated NVIDIA GPUs. Let's continue with Lava option for the best rendering performance. This one had 48 cores and 192 GB of RAM. The switch took just a few minutes and all our files and settings were carried over automatically. Let's connect to it. Everything's same except our hardware. It's upgraded. With that kind of hardware power, our final scene should be rendered in just minutes instead of hours. For comparison, the same scene on our local machine took more than an hour. Let's open our project again, and I'm moving around a bit to show how fast and smooth the interaction is. Then we can finally hit the render button. As you can see, the render process is really fast. It takes a little bit to render. You can save hours by using Vagon Cloud computers. While our lovely scene of underwater world is rendering, you can comment about the features that you want to see on Vagon and hit the subscribe button for more guides and tutorials like these. Our rendering is done in seconds. Now we can save our final image. Let's see. I'm choosing the file type and our final image is saved to the desktop. Let's preview it. Looks perfect. It's a really lovely scene of underwater life. Now we can drag it to Vagon Files folder to sync our project with Vagon Cloud. So once again, we're in our dashboard. Our files are all synced. Let's download it back to our local computer. It is really fast and simple. We've got a render of amazing scene without the cost of buying high-end hardware and also without waiting hours for a render. And it only takes few minutes. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. We're really excited to see your workflow and amazing designs with Vagon Cloud computers.